Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Outback. The belt molding, if it's like the other Subarus, I'll show you guys on the 2020 Outback, it should be the same. I think there's a let me see if I can. There's gonna be a clip over here at the end, which there is, sitting right here. Yep, not from the bottom like the older ones. You'd have to push from the bottom. This one actually gets it from the top. You just gotta just release this right here, and the belt molding comes off pretty easy. Whew.
It just like slides off, or what?
Yeah, if you catch this side, pop it up. You can turn it this way, but you're gonna have to see this black thing that sits in here. You gotta turn it this way and just stick a screwdriver in here and just touch it. It'll pop right out.
No clip on the front end?
No clip on the front end. The mirror sits on it and holds it. There's a clip over here on the mirror side of the chrome. Thanks for watching the channel today. Subscribe to our channel. I like the comments. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Stay COVID free and have a great day. They're just ripping it over there, huh?
Yeah.